Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is graphically summarizing quantitative data, histogram on Tableau. Remember, if you are an Excel fan, we have the same video on Excel, and the link to download it is in our video description. But guys, I'm sorry, Tableau is so much easier, you should consider it. So first of all, why do we summarize quantitative data in graphs? We use it to summarize and describe the shape of the distribution. That is why histogram is important. One way is to group the measurements into classes of a frequency distribution. After grouping them, we can display the data in the form of a histogram. So how do we do that? First, find the number of classes. Find the class length. Tableau does it easily. For non-overlapping classes, Tableau does it at it all. We don't need to do that. Tally and count and graph the histogram. Number of classes here, guys. There are several ways to find them. We will show two. In our example, I will show you later, we have 40 observations. So the number of classes is the smallest whole number for which 2k is greater than or equal to n. For instance, if k was equal to 5, 2 on the 5th, 32, 2 on the 6th, 64. So we are in 40. So we have 6 classes. Another way and how Tableau does it is 3 plus log 2n times log n. So both ways are valid. Sometimes we find different number of classes. For instance, I think on our classes we find 7 classes on Tableau instead of 6 on Excel or on Hands. And then graph the histogram. Rectangles represent the classes, the base represent the class length. And the height represent the frequency in the frequency histogram or relative frequency if we are working with relative numbers. And then what are the shapes? It can be skewed to the right here, to the left, or symmetrical. And how do we do that? So let's go to our Excel file. Remember, Tableau is not a database, so we need a database here, and our database is on Excel. Here it's a Brazilian football or soccer, depending where you are, championship with the 2 main leagues, the League A and League B. So 40 teams or 40 clubs on each, or 20 clubs on each, sorry. So total 40. On Excel, see how much work. Number of classes, minimum, maximum, interval, and then the intervals here, the frequency. We need to do a lot of math, but not on Tableau. So let's go. Yes, let's save it. So on Tableau, and remember, all Excel and Tableau files are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. So let me find it. It's here. So Tableau is the sheet that we will be working with. And then here, clubs and points. Go to sheet 1. Points is what we want. By default, it will show this graph here, but how do we change it to a histogram? Easy. Show me. Histogram is here. And that's it. Here we are. Here we have, and then here, let's rename it. Histogram. And then that is what we have. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 classes. A little bit skewed to the right. 1 class with no number. So from 20 something here, 27, 28 to 30 something, no observations here. If we want to change it, these parameters, we can go on points bin, edit, and then we can change the parameters. Here's the size of bins instead of 7.15. That is the calculated numbers. We can go on 15. Okay, it will go through because it starts on 15 and plus 15, 30, 45, 60. So we would have 5 bins, but here are 5 classes, but here is more about trial and error, so the histogram will not be that accurate. Here it is symmetrical, a little bit symmetrical or a little bit to the right yet. So avoid manipulating your data. So 13, 6 bins and or 6 classes. So take a look on that. So I will Control Z here to leave and here one more empty class here. So that's it. This is how we do histogram on Tableau. Quite easy, quite straightforward. Not like Excel that we need to do a lot of math on hand. But Excel, they still have a histogram pre-built chart, but is not that accurate. Okay? So guys, thank you so much. Questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.